Hi everyone, welcome to Ashafx. My name is Gift and I'm going to teach you how to trade Forex using only price action. No indicators, no signals, just pure price action. If you are new to Forex, you are in the right place. So what is Forex? Forex, short for foreign exchange, is the global market where currencies are bought and sold. It's the largest financial market in the world. It's even bigger than the stock market, with a volume of 7.5 trillion US dollar a day. Why people trade Forex? People trade Forex for different reasons. Some trade to protect their capital, some trade to earn a living. So with the right knowledge and discipline, you can learn how to spot opportunities in the market and make smart decisions. What is price action? Price action means reading market structure based on how price moves, using trends, candlestick patterns, support and resistance. It's more like reading the language of the market. Once you understand the price, you can trade with confidence and clarity. What to expect on this channel? On this channel, I'll teach you everything you need to become a profitable, consistent trader, from setups, psychology, risk management, and many more. I'll keep things real, simple, and more practical. If you are ready to start your journey, hit that subscribe button, like the video, and turn on notification. Let's grow together, and I will see you in the next lesson.